Okay, so to put this seam allowance on, what I did with the collar and what I'm going to do with the front and back, this ruler is broken up into 1/8 measurements, and it's broken into 2 inches. So I have this 1/2 inch seam allowance set by this line up here, and then it goes into 1 inch, 1.5 inches, 2 inches. Maybe you want 5/8, so maybe you would do 5 of these little squares, but I'm going to go ahead and just use this big line, this 1/2 inch seam allowance, because that's what I'm accustomed to. And I'm going to put this line on my original line, and then it'll be exactly 1/2 inch all the way around. And again, make sure you're really accurate with putting this line exactly on your original pencil line, because you don't want to keep adding 1/16 of an inch, 1/8 of an inch, because it'll add up. It'll just add up once you multiply it by 4, because this is 2 sides. You know, that's the middle, and it'll open up, and then this is 2 sides, so it'll add up. You definitely want to be accurate. And you just trace all the way around it.